Feature number one that I do want to highlight to y'all is the captain seats that are available on the Limited, the King Ranch, and the Platinum. This gives you so much flexibility. You have the ability to slide the seats forward and back, just like that. And you also have the ability to bring the seat up so that you can have easy access to the third row. Bring it back, and you can also fold the seat flat. And this is also has the option where you can press a button in the back and the seat will fold down automatically. You do have to manually put it back in place, but that's another feature that's available for easy access. One last thing, you do have child latches, so if you have car seats, you can latch those in and secure them to the seat, which will secure them to the vehicle, and your kids will be super safe. So back here on the third row seat, it's very spacious. You got plenty of room, and you actually have a really neat feature here, and that's the power reclining seats. You feel like a captain, and you're gonna have that on both sides of the third row seat. And you have two buttons here, and that brings you back to your upright position. You also have two USBs back here, so 2 out of the 3 people that do sit back here will have the ability to charge their devices on their long road trip or just on a road trip, and everybody will stay connected with no worries.